What's up, Dirty Real Bulk Supplements, and today we're talking about Glycerol Monostearate. We'll go over a brief description, we'll talk about the benefits and common uses, and we'll also go over what the recommended dosage is. Let's get into it. Glycerol Monostearate is known primarily as an emulsifier, but interestingly enough, it is also used as a pre-workout, a combination between glycerol and stearic acid, a fatty acid. It is a natural substance with a white and odorless profile that is used to emulsify water and fat substances together to achieve different goals. So now that we know a bit of the background, let's take a look at the list of potential benefits and common uses. As previously mentioned, it is an emulsifier that helps water and fat substances mix together. When it is used in baking, it is actually what gives bread that nice rise that you see. It is also a thickening agent, and this allows for things like ice cream and whipped cream to get that nice texture. It can also be used as a food preservative and as a workout supplement. As a workout supplement, it can be used twofold. The first off is as a pre-workout. And while it is not a stimulant, it does give you a pump because glycerol hyperhydrates muscles, so it gives you that nice full look at the gym. The other way in which it can be used is with endurance athletes, as they experience less muscle fatigue since their muscles stay hydrated for a longer period of time. Here at BulkSupplements, we carry it in its raw powder form, and as a dietary supplement, the recommended dosage is 1500 milligrams, which equals to about 3/4 of a teaspoon 30 minutes before a workout. Keep in mind that individual needs and effects may vary. So with that being said, I am not a physician and this is not medical advice, so you should talk to your doctor before taking this or any other supplement. Now let's say you want to get your hands on Glycerol Monostearate, and there are some options out there to choose from, but let me just give you this piece of advice. Go with the reputable company that cares about the quality of their product and the safety of the consumer. Unlike other companies, here at BulkSupplements, we don't use any additives, sweeteners, or any other fillers in our products. In fact, every single item is tested at our FDA inspected facility for both purity and potency, and everything is manufactured to CGMP standards, so you know you're getting the quality that you deserve. I'm going to make it easier for you and drop two links in the description below. One's going to be for Amazon, the other one is going to be directly to our website, where you can find this product and over 500 other ones to choose from. Now do us a favor and please hit that like button on this video. Feel free to share this with a friend or colleague that may find this content helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more information and videos about products just like this one. We'll see you on the next time.